This stretching routine is a great combination of full body stretches which can be performed after every workout for a better recovery and improved mobility. It has total 12 full body stretches. We will hold each stretch for 30 seconds and there is only one round. So the first stretch is a child pose. So join your great toes, spread your knees so that your body can stretch in between of them and stretch out as much as you can, and relax and hold this pose for few more seconds. The next stretch is the cobra pose. So we have to come to cobra pose right after this child pose. So switch your pose now. To hold cobra pose, your toes should point outwards and upwards and your arm should be perpendicular to the floor. Look up from here and arch your back as much as you can and relax and hold this pose for few more seconds. The next pose is the leg stretch. So we have to put our forearms down on the floor right from this pose and hold your right leg from your right hand and pull it towards your hip as much as you can. Meanwhile, your body should not rotate much to the other side, so your chest should actually face downwards as much as you can, and hold this pose for few more seconds. After that, we have to switch side. Switch your side now the other arm and the other leg, and pull your feet towards your hips. This will not only stretch your legs, your quadriceps, but also it will stretch your chest, your arms, your biceps, and also your forearm. Apart from that, this is very relaxing and little bit core work also, so it will strengthen your core along with stretching your arm and your leg. So the next stretch is a cat and cow stretch. So switch your position. Here your thighs and your arms should be perpendicular to the floor, and from here you have to draw your navel in, your belly button in to perform the cat stretch, and you have to do the opposite for the cow stretch. So use full range of motion as much as you can and do not rush this, just focus on using complete range of motion. The next stretch is a pigeon variation. So put your elbows down like we hold a plank, but we don't have to hold a plank. Bend your one leg and stretch your other leg out, and your toes should point upward and outward, and hold this stretch for few more seconds, and then we will switch side in the next 30 seconds. This is a great pose to stretch your leg and anterior chain of one leg and posterior chain of the other leg, so it's a great stretch indeed. This is the variation of pigeon pose. People who cannot perform pigeon pose can easily perform this stretch, this variation. So hold this for few more seconds. And the next stretch is the hamstring stretch. So we have to switch our position to a half standing position and bring your one leg in front, and the toe of your front leg should point upwards, and stretch your hamstrings as much as you can. Meanwhile, keep your back straight, avoid any type of rounding, and try to keep your back as much as straight as you can. In the next up, we will switch side, means we will perform the same hamstring stretch in the other leg. So switch your side. Again, keep your back leg perpendicular to the ground and your front leg as much as straight as you can. Keep your knee locked and straight here, and your toes pointed upward and your back straight. The next stretch is the spinal twist. Here we have to sit in the long sitting position first. So come to the long sitting position and keep your one foot beside your other leg's knee, and from here twist your body towards the other side and try to push your knee which you have bent with your elbow to the twisted side. So means your upper body and lower body are pushing each other in the opposite direction. So now you have to switch side for the same stretch. Means now keep your foot beside your other knee and twist your body towards the opposite side and push your knee towards the more twisted position with your elbow, and meanwhile your back should be completely straight, your upper body should be completely straight, no rounding or no arching, no relaxing. So engage your core, and from here we have to switch the position to the deep squat hold. Deep squat hold is the king of all lower body stretches. Not only it stretches all the muscles of lower body, but it improves your mobility, ankle mobility, hip mobility and knee mobility. So hold this amazing pose for few more seconds, and with this our stretching routine is done. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.